Welcome to this mathematics lesson. We are going to do simple surveys. We are going to consider a question here whereby we are told that a surveyor recorded the following information in his field book after taking measurement in meters of a plot. Therefore, we have the field book here whereby information has been recorded. We should know that from A to E, this one is called the baseline. Then we got offsets. From the baseline, we have offsets to B, to G, to C, to D, to F, and so forth. Therefore, we're going to first of all sketch this information according to what the examiner is telling us to do. Therefore, we're going to come up with a sketch of this field with the dimensions given in meters. Therefore, if we draw from A, then we should know that according to our field book here, we should move 200 meters. 200 meters. Then after covering 200 meters, we move 400 meters to B. Therefore, I can choose the points which are on my right-hand side to be on the upper side in my sketching, such that after 200 meters, I move up 400 meters. Let's say 400 meters is there. 400 meters because we're just sketching, and the offset here will have taken us to B. Then we proceed after 400 meters. Now it means we are adding another 200 meters. From 200 to 400, we are adding another 200 meters. Then we move on the opposite side now. So if B is to the upper side, then I'm going to take G to the lower side such that I'll move 240 meters on the lower side. 240 meters. 240 meters. Let's say 240 is reaching here. This is going to be our G. Then we proceed again up to 480. So at 480, we have only added 80 meters. And we move to the side where B is. So which means we are moving to the upper part, 600 meters. 600 meters, it means now this one is going to be a little bit longer than that of B. A little bit longer. So C will be found at that point. Then we proceed again. If this is 640 and we are from 480, then it means we are adding 160. We add 160. Then we move to the side where G is. So which means to the lower side, 720. 720. 720. You know 720 should be at least longer. This is a F. Should be at least longer than 240. So this is our F. Then we further proceed up to 880 and we from 640. So this means we are adding 240. We are adding 240. Then we move to D, and D is to the side where C and B are, 320. So 320 should be shorter than 400. Therefore, 320 should be relatively lower than B. So this is going to be our D. Then now from D, we finally go to 1000 where we reach E, which means we are adding 120 to 1000, and it's from 880. We are adding now finally 120 so that we may reach the end of our baseline. So now these are the offsets from the baseline, and we can connect them to get the sketch of the diagram. Therefore, from A, on this side, we connect to the nearest offset, which is at G. Then from G, we connect it with F. From F, we connect it with E directly, because this is not an offset. The offset is to the other side. Then from there now, we deal with the upper part. connect from D to C. Remember, you should be getting notifications whenever we upload our lessons. Therefore, ensure you are subscribed to this channel and you also invite more friends as we continue learning together. Therefore, when we connect all the offsets like that, we come up with a sketch of the map. A sketch of the map, which means now we can get area owing to the fact that the different shapes now can predict the area of the shape in this map. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shapes. So we're going to find the area now according to the instructions. We calculate area. So we can get area 1. The first area is a triangle. So half times base 200 times height of 400. This is going to give us by 21 by 200, which is 40,000 when we multiply. Then area 2. Area 2 is going to be trapezoidal. It's a trapezium. Therefore, half times the height between these two parallel sides. Remember to see, we moved 600 meters. That one has to be noted. Therefore, the height here is going to be 280. Then now the sum of the two parallel sides, which is 400 and the other one 600. So now we can get 140. 140 after dividing by 2 times 1,000, because when we add 400 and 600, this will give us 140 meters squared. The second area, now area 3, whereby it's again a trapezium, half times the height, whereby we will take 160 plus 240 to get the length between the two parallel sides. So we have 400. Then the summation of the two parallel sides, whereby, remember to D, we moved 320. So we have 320 and 600. This is going to give us 200 when we divide by 2. Then 320 plus 600. Now we multiply with the 200. This is going to give 184,000 square meters. The fourth area, area 4. Area 4 is triangular. Therefore, half times base 120 multiplied by height 320. This is going to give us by 21 by 260. So 60 by 320 will be 19,200. 19,200. Area 5, which is also triangular, is going to be 360 as the base, half times 360 multiplied by 720. When we divide by 21 by 2, we'll get 360. Therefore, it is 360 times 360. This is going to give us 129,600 square meters. Area 6. Area 6. This is going to be trapezoidal. Therefore, half times the length between the two parallel sides of the trapezium, which is 160 and 80. This is 240. Then the summation of the two parallel sides, 720 and 240. 240. Therefore, by 21 by 2, 120. So we'll have 120 multiplied by the summation of 720 and 240. This is giving us 115,200 square meters. Area 7 finally. Area 7. Area 7 is triangular. Therefore, half multiplied by the base here, which is 400, and the height of 240. This is going to give us 200 multiplied by 240. 200 because by 2 is 1 by 2, 200. This will give 448,000, sorry. So now we get total area when we add up all the areas in square meters. We are starting with the first one, 40,000 plus 140,000 plus 184,000 plus 19,200 plus 129,600 plus 115,200 plus 48,000. This is going to give us 676,000 square meters. It is good we confirm this answer. 40,000 plus 140,000 plus 184,000 plus 19,200 plus 129,600 plus 115,200 plus 48,000. This is going to give us 676,000 square meters confirmed. Now we are told to find the area in hectares. So the area in hectares, we are going to divide with 10,000 to convert square meters to hectares. 70 or 67.6 hectares will be the area of this land.